Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, who has written the essay? Show me your answers. I have already given a task, a semi-formal essay. किस किसने लिखा है? Anyone? Good morning, Jyoti. Yes. No one. Good morning, Anam. Anam लिखा है लेटर.
जी मैम मैंने लिखे हैं बट मुझे सेंड नहीं करना आता। मैं आपको वैसे ही जब आप
आप
लिखेंगे
आप
तो
टेक्स्ट को कॉपी आपने क्या
मैंने
पेपर पे
पेपर पे
लिखा है?
जी हाँ मैंने पेपर पे लिखा।
पिक्चर क्लिक करने आती है?
इस तरह थ्रू इस पे नहीं आएगी, लैपटॉप पे नहीं आती। अगर आप मैं मैसेज पे साथ साथ लिख दूंगी, ऐसे पूरा लिख दूँ।
It's in your phone?
यस मैम।
Okay, no problem. What about others? रीड करके बताओ क्या लिखा है. अनम रीड करके बताओ क्या लिखा है.
डियर सर,
हम्म.
आई होप यू आर वेल। आई जॉइंड स्पोर्ट क्लब
आई
एज अ
होप यू आर वेल. क्या हम अपने मैनेजर को ये बोलेंगे आई होप यू आर वेल? हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिख रहे हैं, फॉर्मल या सेमी फॉर्मल?
सेमी फॉर्मल।
तो क्या हम उसमें बोलेंगे आई होप यू आर वेल? यस. एनीवन? क्या लिखते हैं हम सेमी
No,
फॉर्मल
ma'am.
लेटर्स में? We never start our letters with I hope you're well. This is only for friends and family. आगे क्या लिखा है बताओ, नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट.
I joined Sport Club as a premium member on 12 September 2026. My premium
माई.
was not as good as I want.
सॉरी, आई मिस्ड इन बिटवीन. माई के बाद क्या लिखा है? माई व्हाट?
Unfortunately, my experience was not satisfactory.
ओके. और सो दिस इज व्हाट, ये जो आपने स्टेटमेंट लिखी है ये किस में लिखी है? बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स में?
मैम जी नो मैम, ओपनिंग ओपनिंग में के
ओके. और क्या लिखा है ओपनिंग में?
बस मैम इतना ही लिखे है। अब इसके बाद फिर बॉडी पैराग्राफ।
हाँ, बॉडी पैराग्राफ 1 में क्या लिखा है?
My main concern is behave of the front desk of staff. On the occasion, it was given incorrect timing for the ladies only swimming sessions. Last Friday, I arrived 6 p.m. as told early to find it was mixed session, which made me uncomfortable. Also, locker of the room was not working properly. I feel so many problems during the sessions.
I feel so many problems. Okay. और
Okay, ma'am, body paragraph number 2.
हाँ, what you have written in second body paragraph?
These issues are causing me significant inconvenience. I travel 45 kilometers from to the club, specifically for ladies clubs only, due to the
5
personal
kilometers. Okay, go ahead.
due to the personal reasons. I have been facing a lots of problem here. Furthermore, the locker problem was make me worry about safety. Through my about my safety, I would request to you please train your staff properly regarding schedule schedule and information to fix the locker problem by the weekend. Thank you for your attention. I expect to look this problem personally.
आपने दोनों पैराग्राफ्स को मिक्स कर दिया है क्या,
No,
सेकेंड और
no,
थर्ड को?
no, ma'am. Separate.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट वेन एवर यू राइट जस्ट मेक अ हैबिट कि अब आप सीबीटी की प्रैक्टिस करो. आपको पता है ना कि पेपर बेस्ड देयर
मैम
विल
वो
बी
जो
लेस चांसेस. हाँ.
मैम जो वो होगा उसमें रिटर्न होता है, वो तो पेपर बेस है ना, उसमें जस्ट आपको बाकी सब
इट
सीबीटी है।
डिपेंड्स, अनम, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन सिटी टू सिटी.
मैम पाकिस्तान में है ये इस तरह।
Okay, so are you from Pakistan?
जी मैम.
Okay, good then. Then you have a choice. फिर आप पेपर बेस कर सकते हो.
जी मैम, पाकिस्तान में ना
बट
ये
पेपर
फैसिलिटी
बेस
है.
क्या किया करो, इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ पिक्चर विद द फोन,
जी
उसको
मैम.
आप अपने मेल से यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो
ठीक
अपने
है मैम.
डेस्कटॉप पे. ठीक है, सेम मेल
ठीक है
को
मैम.
ओपन करो एंड देन यू कैन शेयर इट हियर.
ठीक है
ओके.
मैम.
Who else has written the semi-formal letter? Vishali, Sakshi, Shehnaz, Kushal. Not only from the academic point of view, but you can write this letter. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. But
Helps you
actually,
in generating the ideas also and in your professional life as well. How to write
yes,
emails, how to write letters. This is very general. Yes, Prince.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
So my name is Prince Modi,
Mhm.
and I am from Gujarat.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to just ask you, in
Mm-hmm.
the ILT examination, is the it is to am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible.
So मेरा एक क्वेश्चन वही था कि IELTS एग्जाम में ये जो पेपर और कंप्यूटर है, तो अभी वो पेपर चालू है कि बंद हो गया, मतलब पेन पेपर चालू है या कंप्यूटर कंपलसरी है?
Prince, it depends on your
हाँ.
city कि वहां
ओके.
पर पेपर बेस के स्लॉट्स हैं या नहीं. बिकॉज 90% चांसेस दैट दे आर स्विचिंग ओनली टू कंप्यूटर बेस. कंप्यूटर
ओके.
बेस टोटली कंप्यूटर बेस हो गया है.
हम्म.
ओनली ऑप्शन इज कि आपको राइटिंग मिल सकता है पेपर बेस में, बाकी सारे मॉड्यूल्स आपके कंप्यूटर डिलीवर्ड ही होंगे.
So listening and reading is both on
यस.
computer based, right?
यस, एग्जैक्टली. यू
Okay.
नीड टू चेक विद
So
योर सेंटर जहां पर भी आप बुक करते हो एग्जाम. ओके.
yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vishali. How
Okay.
are
Thank
you?
you.
Hello,
We were
ma'am.
missing you.
Yes, ma'am.
How was your
I
exam?
wasn't, it was good, ma'am.
Hmm?
I wasn't traveling in a meanwhile, that's why I'm not able to connect.
So did you get your scores? It was CBT or
No, ma'am.
paper based?
It was paper based. So
Mm-hmm.
I will get it in a 7 days.
Yes, so you need to wait some days, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
Vishali, what I'll do is I'm just dropping a contact details here.
Okay.
As you know that today is the last class. We will
Okay.
now be meeting on 29th.
Okay.
Just wait. So do share me your score
Sure, ma'am.
on this number. Okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
And just drop a WhatsApp after the session or during the session. ठीक है,
Okay.
save this and share it. Share your like your card, your scorecard. Good morning, Kirat. Where were you?
Oh, sorry, I just got busy at work, so I didn't get the time.
But you need to attend
Is
your
it
classes. Is this your working hours? 9
yeah,
to 10?
yeah, no, actually, like I was changing my laptop, like I had my previous laptop, but I couldn't like
You can
use
join
that,
from
so I
your
just
phone.
gotta.
If you're facing any difficulties with the laptop, you can join from
That's the
your phone.
problem. Like the screen is too small, and then I have like a vision problem, so I can't. So that's why like I was just waiting on this new laptop.
Okay, are you from
Sorry,
academic or GT?
GT.
Oh, so you missed out your last class. That was really important.
Oh, why?
Yes.
Okay, and is this our last class? You saying?
Yes, there were 2 classes for GT. Task 1. One was yesterday and one
Yeah.
today. So what I can help you with is that we have started with the letter writing yesterday. You need to be aware
Yeah.
of the tone when you write the letter. ठीक है? Yesterday we have done the formal letter. Today we are about to do informal letter. तो आज के सेशन का गोल क्या है? That you will learn about informal tone, right?
Okay. Okay. It's a
Remember,
formal letter.
आज का जो letter writing है, even I would say not आज का, letter writing is very scoring. It's really very scoring. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इस सेक्शन को लाइटली ले लेते हैं कि हाँ लेटर ही तो लिखना है, हम लिख लेंगे, आ जाएगा स्कोर। सिर्फ बोलने से नहीं आता, व्हेन यू राइट इट ओनली देन यू विल गेट योर स्कोर। ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि मैं आइडिया जनरेट कर दूं और कुछ भी लिख दूं, मेरे को स्कोर मिल जाएगा 7 and above?
No,
No.
then we'd stuck
So
at
it depends
6.5.
on my words, what I'm writing, right? तो
Yeah.
अगर आप ये चीज लाइटली ले रहे हो कि नहीं आई एम गोना राइट, ये तो बहुत इजी लेटर है, हम लिख लेंगे और स्कोर आ जाएगा, नो डाउट स्ट्रक्चर इज इजी, आइडिया जनरेशन इज इजी, बट योर वर्ड चॉइस, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर वर्ड चॉइस। ठीक है, तो इनफॉर्मल टोन को समझना है आज आपको। कल मैंने आपको फ्रेंडली वर्सेस फॉर्मल, लाइक फॉर्मल वर्सेस इनफॉर्मल का डिफरेंस बताया था, रिमेंबर? We did that. Formal and informal tone
Yes.
क्या होता है? When we say to a friend, what we say, I just want to tell you. But in a formal way, we say, I would like to inform. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, yaar. I apologize. Can you help me? Could you please assist me? So this is the difference between your tone. यहां पर आप बोल के नहीं बताओगे अपनी टोन को, यहां पर आप अपनी वर्ड चॉइस के साथ लिख के बताओगे एग्जामिनर को दैट हाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग, हाउ यू आर राइटिंग। आपके वर्ड्स डिसाइड करते हैं आपकी टोन को यहां पर। सो हाउ यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर, व्हाट वर्ड चॉइस यू आर चूजिंग विल डिसाइड द टोन ऑफ योर लेटर। क्लियर? आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल टोन। Formal letters and semi-formal letters are 90% same. It depends only on the salutation and the sign off. The difference is that informals are completely different. Structure को याद रखना है आपको, strategy follow करनी है, and you have to use these natural phrases. जो ओपनिंग है आपकी कि आपको लेटर लिखना कैसे है। अनम, आप वैसे आपने जो स्टार्ट करा है लेटर उससे स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे बिकॉज दैट्स अ इनफॉर्मल फ्रेज।
यस मैम, अभी पता
ठीक है,
चल गया मुझे।
सो रिमेंबर दिस, सेमी फॉर्मल हो फॉर्मल हो, यू विल बी यूजिंग दिस। इनफॉर्मल होगा देन यू विल राइट होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट, इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टुडे, आज हम इनफॉर्मल करने वाले, हम ये सब यूज करेंगे while writing the letter. So we will do a live practice. Please make sure कि आप अपनी mistakes को avoid करो. In the formal letter, you cannot use contracted words. Contractions का use हम नहीं करेंगे। जैसे यहाँ पर हमने लिखा है it's, ये इनफॉर्मल में यूज होता है। हम फॉर्मल में कभी भी इट्स का यूज नहीं करेंगे, कांट का यूज नहीं करेंगे, डोंट का यूज नहीं करेंगे। एंड इन द एंटायर राइटिंग आई वुड से हम कभी भी एब्रीविएशंस का यूज नहीं करेंगे। व्हाट आर एब्रीविएशंस? व्हाट आर एब्रीविएशंस?
Abbreviation मतलब कि short name.
Short forms,
फॉर
Short
like
form.
how
For
like we
example,
write example, like we write example as an example, then we can write eg dot
एग्जैक्ट
as an example.
कॉमेंट को GOVT डॉट नो, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ORG डॉट नो, ऐसा हमें नहीं करना। इन द एंटायर राइटिंग, चाहे टास्क 1 हो टास्क 2 हो, वी विल नेवर यूज एब्रीविएशंस, वी विल नेवर यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस। कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस अगर अलाउड होंगी तो वो सिर्फ इनफॉर्मल लेटर में होंगी। नो फॉर्मल, नो सेमी फॉर्मल, नो टास्क 2, किसी में भी हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस का यूज नहीं करेंगे। नाउ क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स, जब हम फॉर्मल या सेमी फॉर्मल लेटर लिखेंगे वी कैन यूज दीज क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स। इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिखेंगे वी विल यूज दीज। कल हमने एक ऐसे किया था लाइव, हियर ऑल्सो ये ऐसे था। दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर। स्ट्रक्चर क्या था? सबसे पहले आपको सैल्यूटेशन लिखना है, ग्रीटिंग्स लिखना है। फॉर्मल होगा तो डियर सर और मैडम, सेमी फॉर्मल होगा डियर मिस्टर, लास्ट नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन। इनफॉर्मल होगा you will start directly with the name of your friend, your family. Dear Anam, hi Raman, right? Then you will write the purpose. आप लेटर लिख क्यों रहे हो? 1 or 2 statements. Why are you writing? What is the reason for writing the letter? Then you will maintain the 3 body paragraphs describing about these problems जो भी आपको बोली गई हैं. Separate paragraphs. As I have mentioned, you can just write 40 words each for these 3 paragraphs ताकि आपके 120 words यहाँ पर cover हो जाए. Now you are left with 30 or 40 more words क्योंकि आपको at least 150 लिखना है. You can write 160, 170, depends on you how you manage your time. क्योंकि आप पर्पस लिखोगे 1 or 2 लाइन स्टेटमेंट्स वहां चली जाएगी. आपकी क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट 1 लाइन हो गया, देन साइन ऑफ, देन ग्रीटिंग. यू विल easily cover more than 150 words. Clear? Sign off. Formal letter, yours faithfully, yours sincerely for semi, and yours lovingly हम नहीं लिखेंगे when it comes to informal letter. वो हम बहुत पहले यूज करते थे. These days what we use is best wishes, warm regards, take care, all these. Clear? So we have already written this. Formal letter, semi-formal आपको as a home assignment मिला था. Which some people has not completed. I believe only Anam has done. That's really good. Now let's quickly start with the informal letter. I hope formal and semi-formal is clear to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's quickly start. If you are writing to your friend, कैसे start करोगे आप अपने letter को? What is the first thing you will write?
Dear Manish, dear name.
Yes.
Hey, Alina.
Yes.
Dear,
Hi लिखो, hey लिखो, dear लिखो. Your tone should be friendly. Right?
Hi there.
Basically your real life language जो आप use करते हो. Informal. Right? जब आप किसी फ्रेंड को, फैमिली को या किसी नोन पर्सन को लिखते हो, इट्स अ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. फ्रेंडली टोन, रिलैक्स टोन, पर्सनल. राइट? कभी भी यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा पॉसिबल है आप अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर राइटिंग ऑन द व्हाट्सएप, कैन यू राइट आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू?
No.
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Vishali, yes, you can leave. There's no problem, dear. I will check with the team the message if you have sent.
Okay.
Okay?
Ma'am.
No
Yes,
problem.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You can even
Bye-bye.
drop a missed call. Okay?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So we never write to our friends like this. I would like to inform you. होता है कभी ऐसा? I believe दोस्त ही ब्लॉक कर देगा आपको. ये क्या हो गया फ्रेंड को, ये कैसी लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहा है? Is he fine? Right? I want to tell you. You can say like this. I want to tell you. Now suppose you recently moved to a new city and you want to write a letter to your friend. कि आपने कहाँ move करा? How do you feel about the new place? You want to invite your friend to that place. So what you will write as a purpose? I'm writing a statement here. Imagine this situation that you recently moved to a new city and you want to write a letter to your friend. And you need to add these 3 things. What will be the purpose? कैसे start करोगे? Now you need to keep it simple, relaxed and a friendly tone. Quick.
Friendly tone.
Yes. How will you start?
Greetings like dear Kushal, I hope you are good, like those things. Greetings.
I hope all are good with you. All are doing good with you.
Not all are doing.
I hope you are doing great.
Yes.
Well.
I hope you are doing well. I
Doing
hope
well.
you are doing great. Just remember the statements I have already given you.
Okay.
एक ही letter आना है ना, चाहे formal आए, चाहे semi formal, चाहे informal. So what you can do? Just learn it. Just pick 1 or 2 statements. You can just write any one.
होप यू आर
प्लान
डूइंग
योर
ग्रेट।
स्ट्रैटेजी, अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी खुद प्लान करके रखो कि अगर इनफॉर्मल लेटर आता है, आई एम गोना चूज दिस स्टेटमेंट, आई एम गोना चूज दिस स्टेटमेंट, दैट्स इट। आपको सोचने की नीड ही ना हो, क्योंकि एग्जाम टाइम में इट विल बी एन एग्जाम प्रेशर कि आपके पास लिमिटेड टाइम है। तो उस टाइम पे अगर आप डिसाइड करो कि मुझे आई होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट लिखना था, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल लिखना था, होप एवरीथिंग इज गुड लिखना था, इट्स बेटर डिसाइड ऑन वन। जब भी यहां पर प्रैक्टिस करो लेटर राइटिंग की, इनफॉर्मल लेटर आता है, चूज दैट वन स्टेटमेंट, मुझे यही लिखना है। क्योंकि एग्जाम में सिर्फ एक ही लेटर आएगा, आपके पास 4-5 नहीं आएंगे कि आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लर्न करके रखनी पड़े, राइट?
यस
Yes, ma'am.
गुड, यस। सो आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल, आई होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट। जो भी आपको स्टेटमेंट चूज करना है, यू कैन चूज। नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? इसके बाद ये तो आपकी एक शॉर्ट सी ओपनिंग हुई, इसके साथ आप ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट में क्या लिखोगे?
It's been a long time since we have spoken.
Yes, exactly. Hmm. What else
And
you will add? What is the purpose? Letter लिख क्यों रहे हो? Very first thing
uh,
is greetings. Very
yeah,
first thing is greetings. I'm just copying the structure and writing for you all again here.
then
Hmm.
we
I
can
just
write
like
like,
to
as I
tell.
have moved to the new city, so I wanted to share my experience. So I'm liking this town so far.
Yes, exactly. What you need to do is you need to mention that. आप लेटर लिख क्यों रहे हो अपनी फ्रेंड को? Because you recently moved to a new place, a new city. I recently moved to this and this place, जो भी आपका place है. I recently moved to Delhi for a new job opportunity. That's it. पर्पस में आपको ये लिखना है कि आप क्यों लिख रहे हो लेटर को, व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर राइटिंग द लेटर, बस। इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं। I hope you are doing well. I wanted to share some exciting news with you. I recently moved to Delhi for a new job opportunity. Done. That's it. और कुछ भी नहीं। Now, where you moved, how you feel, invite your friend. अब आपको ये सब डिटेल, कहाँ गए हो, सिटी के बारे में बताओ। हाउ यू फील, क्या फील करते हो सिटी के बारे में? एक्साइटेड हो, हैप्पी हो फॉर योर न्यू प्लेस और नॉट? यस, एनी आइडियाज?
I
We
am very
can write, I
excited to
think,
see some new things about this city.
Yes. Invite your friend. Yes.
it feels like a loner town as compared to the other city where I lived in. Uh, all although there's like a sense of community here because it's not much of a big town.
Yes.
Um, so but still I find myself here struggling while looking for the social places to meet new people.
Yes, exactly. You can talk about where you moved. You need to talk about that city in detail. The city is large, the city is modern, it's full of exciting places. My new apartment, my new house is located in my workplace, which is very convenient. Then body paragraph 2, how you feel. You feel little nervous because everything is unfamiliar. You are settling in. You enjoy the vibrant lifestyle. You met some friendly neighbors. You explored some popular attractions. Invite your friend. I would love for you to visit me sometime. We could explore the city together. We can try some local food. We can spend some quality time together. And you will also enjoy staying here. That's how you're inviting your friend. अब क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट, क्या क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट ये होगा इसमें? नो, बिकॉज दैट्स यूज फॉर फॉर्मल वन. For informal, you just have to write, hope to hear from you soon. And then best wishes and your name. Clear? Yes, please. It
Yes.
should be simple
Yes, ma'am.
and your tone should be correct.
Ma'am, can
Now,
we also write to keep in touch, reply soon
yes, keep in
in
touch.
the end?
Yes, that's perfectly
Okay.
fine because we
Yeah.
never use this in the professional tone, keep in touch,
Okay.
right?
Because
Hit
we are
me up
using in
when you get
informal
time.
letter and we writing to our friends. So
Yes. Friendly tone you can, but not to mix formal and informal in the informal. किसी में भी आपको दोनों का mixture नहीं add करना. You should know the difference कि formal क्या है और informal क्या है.
so in the formal letter we are writing to your faithfully, and in the informal keep in touch,
Best
reply.
wishes. Best
Okay,
wishes
best
लिखो.
wishes.
Yes, you can write.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Thank you.
suppose you missed your friend's birthday party. How will you write an opening statement? You missed your friend's birthday party. What opening statement you can write?
Like first, hi, my friend, whatever is your name. I feel disappointed as I couldn't attend join your birthday party. So I'm writing this mail to get back to you and providing my best birthday wishes.
So when you are
Something
writing
like
the
that.
purpose, now suppose you missed your friend's birthday party. So you will be apologizing as well. You will be feeling sorry that you missed out the party. Add your emotions to it.
Emotion.
Okay,
Dear Kirat, dear Khushi, I hope you are doing well. I'm writing, or you can say, I'm really sorry I couldn't make it to your birthday party. Right? And
Yes, yes.
I'm feeling terrible. I'm feeling sorry that I could not attend a special occasion or for missing such a special day. When you're adding that emotions in the informal letter, it really boosts your band scores. Your tone decides the entire letter, your word choices. Please focus on this word choice. Never miss up your bullet points. 3 बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स हैं, उन तीनों को मेंटेन करके रखो. पर्पस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पर्पस लिखो, कभी भी बुलेट पॉइंट्स को मिक्स नहीं करना. रिमेंबर, बुलेट पॉइंट्स को मिक्स नहीं करना, कभी भी नहीं. जो आप यहां पर लिख रहे हो वो ओपनिंग में नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट इज रेपिटेशन. राइट? Now let's quickly write a letter. I want all of you to help me out. It's an apology letter. You missed your friend's important event. Write a letter to your friend. First, apologize for missing the event. Explain why you could not attend. Suggest meeting soon. Yes. Who will help me in writing this?
Dear, okay. And in the body paragraph, we just need to mention like, we have missed that, and then, in
Need
the
to
opening.
start with first a salutation.
Yeah.
Right?
Hi, we
See.
Whatever the name of the person is. Now,
Yeah.
I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing
Great.
well.
Yeah.
Then,
I hope you're doing great. I know I have missed your special event past like past week or month,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm writing this letter to apologize on behalf of that.
कि
Uh,
आप लेटर देखो नाउ रिमेंबर इन योर लेटर apologize for missing the event.
yeah.
So first body paragraph is all about sorry, feeling sorry. So in the beginning you will only write one or two statement, because detail में जो आपको sorry feel करना है that will be in the first body paragraph. Yes. Anyone? Purpose लिख के दिखाओ जल्दी से. Any important event you can select. Any suggestions? कौन सा important event की बात कर सकते हैं हम?
मैम इसमें ये भी कह सकते हैं ना कि आई वॉज इल दैट्स व्हाई आई कुड नॉट कम एट योर इन योर बर्थडे पार्टी.
Exactly, that is the reason you are telling why you could not attend. वो आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे सेकेंड बॉडी पैराग्राफ, क्योंकि फर्स्ट में आपको सॉरी फील करना है, सेकेंड में यू नीड टू टेल कि क्यों आपने अटेंड नहीं करा, तो वो आप रीजन में लिखोगे दैट यू वर नॉट वेल, दिस एंड दिस, जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम थी जिस वजह से आपने वो अटेंड नहीं करा. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट
Yes.
पर्पस.
I am writing this later about sorry for previous party.
हाँ, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग कि वो जो इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट है, आप वो इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट का नाम तो लिखोगे ना कि कौन सा इवेंट आपने मिस करा है.
Birthday party or marriage
I am
anniversary.
sincerely apologize for missing your important event means your
So मैडम
promotion.
मैडम अगर हम ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ना कि आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. लास्ट वीक आपके घर आपके घर में ये पार्टी थी तो मैं आ नहीं सका, इसलिए मैं सॉरी ऐसे.
राइट इट डाउन इन इंग्लिश. राइट इट डाउन इन इंग्लिश. एनी स्टेटमेंट राइट इट डाउन, जल्दी से लिख के दिखाओ. Or you can speak, but there should not be any errors when you speak.
I hope you are doing well. I am writing to sincerely apologize for missing your promotion party.
Yes.
It was really important for you, and I am truly sorry that I could not
But itna
be
sara
there to
write,
celebrate.
can you write itna sara in purpose?
No, in purpose we will stop. Just I am writing to sincerely apologize for missing your promotion party.
Yes. Exactly. You cannot write बहुत सारा here because आपका जो first body paragraph है, it is only about apologize.
Yes.
So I'm writing to say sorry, or I feel sorry for missing your promotion party. Right? Any other suggestions?
I wrote this, I think. I hope you're doing great in life. I'm writing to you as unfortunately I had to miss your wedding because of some circumstances. I really feel bad for that. I'm real happy for you at the same time.
But Kirat, देखो आपने जो लिखा है, I hope you are doing great in life. हाँ, okay, ठीक है, typo error होगा. I am writing to you as unfortunately I had to miss your wedding because of some. Do not mention this reason. ये आपको नहीं लिखना. जो भी circumstances है, you will write afterwards. And I felt really bad for that, though I'm really happy for you at the same moment. No, you just have to write the purpose. कुछ भी नहीं ऐसा.
Okay. in this one, I shouldn't be writing.
Only the purpose is that I feel terrible about missing your promotion party last weekend. Or I'm really sorry for missing your promotion party last weekend. That's it.
Okay.
When you're writing a formal letter, you can use apologize. But if you're writing informal, you can simply use sorry. अब वो कोई भी इवेंट हो, वेडिंग हो, आप यहाँ पे वेडिंग ऐड कर दो, ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी, आप ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी, एनी इवेंट. That's it. Now, why you cannot add more here is because जो आपका body paragraph है, it is only about apologize. तो अब जब आप अपना body paragraph 1 start करोगे, then you will be telling in detail.
That why we could not come.
Not the reason. Reason आपका second body paragraph में आएगा. Why you could not attend. You just need to talk in words again.
Oh.
That I know how important this achievement is for you. I had been looking forward to celebrate it with you. I feel bad that I could not be there on this special occasion with you. I'm truly sorry for not attending that meeting. I regret missing such a wonderful celebration with you and everyone else. You're apologizing. Sorry feel कर रहे हो. You need to describe in words.
Sorry.
Right? You need to describe that in words. Quickly, ideas. Anyone? Any suggestions?
मैम ये भी ऐड कर सकते हैं ना, आई बाउट अस गिफ्ट फॉर योर प्रमोशन सेलिब्रेशन.
Yes. Yes. Apologize करना है. कैसे apologize करोगे? अपने फ्रेंड की पार्टी आपने मिस कर दी है, क्या बोलते हो आप उसे? Yes, I want you to speak.
Actually, I did not understand, ma'am, exactly. Means here already is there, right, ma'am?
You just mentioned the reason that why you're writing. You're writing because you missed your friend's party. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to apologize. Apologize
Okay.
means you need to describe your emotions in detail.
Oh, okay.
I know how much this promotion means to you. I wanted to celebrate it with you. I really feel bad for missing such an important occasion. Hope you can forgive me.
I feel really regret about missing that promotion party.
Exactly.
I really want to.
By your words, you need to mention. As you said, I truly regret for not attending the event. I know it meant a lot to you. I regret.
Really want to forgive.
Then what else you can add? I wanted to celebrate with you. I feel bad for missing such an important occasion. By your tone. Then why you could not attend? क्यों नहीं attend कर पाया? रीजन वाई यू कुड नॉट अटेंड. अब वो आप अपना रीजन डिस्क्राइब करो. यहाँ पर कोई इमरजेंसी हो गई, एनी
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately, I
on
have
morning of
another work.
that
Yes.
event, my mother suddenly became unwell,
Yes.
and
Unfortunately, I
we
attended.
I
didn't.
wanted to
One by
attend the
one,
event,
please.
but there is a
One by
some.
one. How can I listen to everyone at the same time? One by
I
one.
want to attend the event, but at that time I was in. But that time there is a some emergency situation with happening with me. My mom suddenly my mom health is my mom suffer from fever suffer from fever, so I can't attend.
Yes.
Is it right or wrong, ma'am?
Yes, you can write. Suffer from fever, you mentioned, right?
Suffer from fever. Suffer from fever,
Instead
so
of
I
just
can't.
mentioning the fever, you can talk about some health issues.
Okay.
Okay.
Some health issue.
Unfortunately, I could not attend the party because my mother was suffering from some health issues. She
Suffering.
suddenly felt unwell and I had to take her to the hospital for a medical checkup. Right? Or either if you do not want to talk about your family member, you can talk about that you need to attend. You had some family emergency. Do not mention the name of that person. Unfortunately, I had a sudden family emergency and I had to travel out of the town immediately. Everything happened so quickly that I didn't get a chance to inform you as well. कि आप उसे बता भी नहीं पाए.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Because you need to mention that reason. यहाँ पर आपको वो लिखना है कि क्यों आप नहीं अटेंड कर पाए उसकी पार्टी को. Now,
Due to the
yes, Kushal?
unfortunately, I have not attended your event due to the workload I received from my
From my
client.
company.
They did not provide leave for me.
They did not provide me, they did not provide leave for me. The last sentence is not correct. Unfortunately, I have not nahi hota. I could not attend your event because of a heavy workload at my company. I had several important tasks to complete. And my manager or my boss, my company did not grant me a leave. ये देखो रॉन्ग कॉलोकेशन है. प्रोवाइड लीव नहीं होता, ग्रांट लीव होता है.
Yeah, or approve leave.
Yes.
Did not approve leave. Yes.
So I'm just writing your answer here. You can choose any reason. Okay. Provide nahi hota. That's a wrong. Now next, what is suggest meeting soon? अब आपको क्या बोलना है? That we're gonna meet soon. I would really love to meet you soon. I would really love to make it up to you. अब आपकी WhatsApp language आप use कर सकते हो. Let's meet sometime this week. Maybe we can go out for party, for lunch, or we can celebrate that event again together. Yes. To make up for missing the event, I would love to meet you sometime next week. We can celebrate your promotion. We can spend some quality time together. Yes, any suggestions?
I am waiting to real meet.
I'm waiting to
Real meet.
real meet. Meet you
Yes.
in person होता है. Real meet नहीं बोलते.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
You can even ask your friend, how about meeting up next weekend? I would love to hear all about the party. Congratulate you on your promotion in person. That means real. We can grab a coffee or have lunch together.
Real time thing.
Yes.
Real time, like want to see you in real time.
Not real time. I want to see you in person. And even you should not use this word. You're talking to your friend. कैसे बोलोगे मिलने के लिए? The same language you can use here with your contractions. अगर आपको अपने फ्रेंड से मिलना है नेक्स्ट वीक, उसे क्या मैसेज करोगे? The same tone you have to use here, the friendly one. Informal.
मैम
Yes.
इसमें हम ये भी कह सकते हैं ना, I want to meet you next weekend, coming
Yes.
weekend, and we want to spend a quality time, and I want to drink coffee, yeah,
Yes.
just like
Yes,
in that way.
we could have a dinner together. We can celebrate your achievement. We can have a coffee. We can have a lunch. नेक्स्ट वीकेंड मिलना है, पार्टी प्लान कर रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ, जस्ट यू नीड टू राइट दैट. और जो आपने इवेंट मिस करा उसकी बातें कर सकते हो. यू नीड टू राइट क्यों मिलना है ना? बिकॉज यू मिस दैट पार्टी. और आप अपने फ्रेंड से पूछ भी सकते हो that let's just meet up the next weekend. If you are available next weekend, we could have dinner together. Just simply write it here. How about meeting up next weekend को आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. If you are available next weekend, we could have dinner together. We could have lunch together. The way you ask your friends for party, the same way you have to write it here. That's it. Now see my contractions. I would love to. Here you can use it.
And also, I really want to enjoy your success.
Yes, celebrate your
for your
achievement.
professional growth.
Yes,
Yes.
we could celebrate your achievement. Right? Then you need to end up with take care, hope to see you soon, lots of love, any. Best wishes, take care, likho, lots of love, likho, any you can write because this is an informal letter. I hope it's clear now how to write an informal letter. IELTS writing बिल्कुल भी difficult नहीं है, especially the letter writing. It's not tough. The wrong approach is tough. You all know English. बस उसको natural way में आपको use करना. And how you will going to use it in a natural way when you practice every day. Practice से ही confidence आता है. Remember this. If you're having practice each day, if you're writing one letter every day, whether it's formal, whether it's semi-formal, informal, if you're writing, you can really have that band 7+. Definitely. Nobody can stop you from that. So just let me know one thing. Are you able to identify now what are formal letters and what are informal letters?
Yes, ma'am.
If you get
Yes,
any
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
statement, will you be easily identifying formal क्या होता है, informal क्या होता है?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
can you compare between your formal tone and informal tone? When
Yes.
you're using the formal words, when you're using the informal words?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes,
So when
because that is really
Yes, ma'am.
important when writing a letter. Sorry, when writing any letter, I would say आप formal लिखो, semi formal लिखो, आपकी tone describe करती है आपकी letter writing को कि आप कौन सा letter लिख रहे हो. Not only with the salutation. I have seen lots of answer. What students know is only about the salutation part कि dear sir और madam लिख रहे हैं तो वो formal letter हो गया. In between whatever they write, they do not look at their tone कि उन्होंने क्या words use करे, and then in the end yours faithfully मतलब formal letter. So only salutation या sign off का difference नहीं होता. Formal और informal letter में सबसे important role है आपकी tone का, your word choice. It decides कि आप कौन सी tone लिख रहे हो. Either you're writing in a professional way or you're writing in a friendly tone, right? So I hope this session was helpful to you. Now you can confidently write whether it's a formal, whether semi-formal or informal. Clear? Why I want feedback from you guys every day is because it also helped me to make the sessions better. Right? That's why I keep on asking by the end of the session that are you able, like, is this session helpful to you or not? Because if somehow it is not, I'm going to customize this according to your needs. What my target is that all my students should score 7 and above. Right? But
yes, ma'am.
how this will be when you will have a practice each and every day. I'm here for you with 1 hour or more than 1 hour. But the rest 23 hours, you need to take out some time to practice each day. Just by listening to those ideas or the strategies will never get you band 7. It only comes with when you are applying those techniques in practice. Okay? So
Okay.
याद रखो that practice करोगे तो automatically आपकी writing improve हो जाएगी. So as you know that I am on holidays for a few days. We will be now meeting on Monday. I guess it's 29th. And we will be starting with the reading module. You can see all the scheduled classes on the application. आपको दिख जाएगा कि आज writing. No, there is no Sakshi. So sorry, but there is no class tomorrow. I will be meeting now you all on 29th with the reading module. You have enough time for a week because I'm not available for 7 working days. What you can do is those who have missed out the classes in between, वो please अपना writing का module complete करो so that you all will be on the track with us. ठीक है? Writing task 1, writing task 2 की practice करो so that once we'll start with the reading, I'm going to cover each and every aspect of reading module. जो भी topics है हम सारे complete करेंगे. But before then, speaking or writing में pro हो जाओ. Okay? Any doubt, any query? Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kushi.
Ma'am, I am the new student. So I don't know. I think these days paper-based exam is not available in India. We can only do the computer delivered.
Yes, that is definitely. But you can check with your centers. There are some centers who are actually conducting paper-based. You can check with them. 90% it is computer delivered. In the case of computer delivered also, there is an option that you can pursue with writing paper-based. Okay?
Okay.
So before taking the exam, before you're booking for the exam, just inquire first.
Okay.
And
So-
as you are new to the session, I just want to tell you कि classes जो अभी तक हमारे इस course में speaking और writing आज complete हो चुकी है. What you can do is आप जितनी भी recorded classes हैं speaking और writing की, please उन्हें इन days में जब तक reading module start नहीं हो रहा तब तक आप उन्हें rewatch करो. Just learn them कि क्या सिखाया गया है उनमें and then practice for it. Okay?
और
Okay,
मैडम
ma'am,
ये जो
I can find the recorded classes.
जब आप एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करोगे, एप्लीकेशन में आपको सबसे पहले क्या विजिबल होता है? एप्लीकेशन के होम पेज पे आपको क्या दिखता है?
Speak English in homepage.
सायरा ये देखो, हिंदू।
हेलो
यस प्रिंस।
मैडम, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि हमारा जो ये टाइम है वो सुबह का 9 बजे का ही है ना, रेगुलर?
यस, इट्स 9 to 10 एवरी डे। यस
ओके।
यस खुशी, एप्लीकेशन ओपन करने में इतना टाइम?
No, ma'am, it's speaking, listening, writing, all modules are there.
स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग, राइटिंग के अलावा और क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Reading, writing, practice.
जब आप होम पेज ओपन करते हो आपको स्पीकिंग दिखेगा, रीडिंग दिखेगा, राइटिंग दिखेगा और क्लासेस नहीं दिख रहा?
दिख रहा।
लास्ट पे है,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
लास्ट पे
yes.
मैम,
Classes
So
also
how
free
can
there.
you
classes.
find
Yes.
that out? This is where you can find all your classes.
Yeah.
जब आप उस क्लासेस को क्लिक करोगे आपको आइल्स लाइव क्लासेस दिखेंगी।
Okay, okay.
तो उसमें जितनी भी स्पीकिंग की और राइटिंग की क्लासेस है आप उन्हें देख सकते हो। द सेम
Okay.
वे ऑन द यूट्यूब आप बेबी कोड के चैनल पे जाओ, वहां पे प्लेलिस्ट को ओपन करो। प्लेलिस्ट को आई एम सेइंग, प्लेलिस्ट में ओपन करते आपको 3 बैचेस दिखेंगे। ये जो कोर्स अभी चल रहा है दिस इज बैच 3। ओके, so all the new students,
Okay, ma'am.
what you can do is please practice from the application for your writing and speaking as we have done. Reading और listening के लिए मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलूंगी कि आप practice करो because we have not started yet. But writing का टेस्ट दो, speaking का टेस्ट दो, check your band score. Plus, do not forget to click on the remind me button for all of the next classes. जब आप उस classes के section को open करोगे तो drag करके देखो there are all the classes जो already schedule हो चुकी है। So you can just click on them so that you get notified जब भी आपकी class start हो। And please tell this to your friends and family that we are beginning with the reading module so that they do not miss out any class. Okay? किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है दे कैन ट्राई द बेबी कोड वीजा सर्विसेज, दे विल हेल्प यू आउट, दे विल गिव यू अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द ऑप्शंस एज वेल। ओके देन, सी यू ऑल ऑन 29th. ओके, बाय, टेक
Okay, ma'am.
केयर,
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
ma'am, good luck. Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am, good luck.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Bye, ma'am.
Good luck. Bye, bye, ma'am.